So, how do we tell the time? As I said before, there is two hands, the minute hand and the hour hand. If the big hand or the minute hand's pointing at the 12, it's something o'clock. At the 3, it's quarter past something. At the 6, it's half past something. At the 9, it's quarter to something. And at the 12, it's o'clock. So let's try and do some times. So the minute hand's on the 12, which means it's something o'clock. And the hour hand is pointing to the 4, which means it's 4 o'clock. That hand will stay there and we'll move the hour hand to the 8. So the minute hand's pointing at the 12, which means it's something o'clock. And the hour hand's pointing to the 8, which means it's 8 o'clock. Let's have a go at some half past now. So there's a big hand, the minute hand, comes around to the 6. And the hour hand is in between two numbers because it's half past the number. So with minute hands pointing at the 6, which means it's half past something, and the hour hand is halfway between the 8 and the 9. So it's half past the 8. So it's half past 8 or 8:30 because from the 12 all the way to the 6 is 30 minutes. Let's have a go at one more half past. So the minute hand stays on the 6 because it's half past something, and the hour hand's going to be in between the 2 and the 3. So the 2, the minute hand's half past the 2, and the minute hand's on the 6, and the hour hand's half past the 2, which makes it half past 2, or 2:30 because the minute hand has travelled 30 minutes to get to half past. Let's have a go at writing on the board now. We'll have a go at writing a half past. So if it's half past something, the long hand, the minute hand's on the 6. And then I want to make half past 10. So I'm going to do the little hand halfway between the 10 and the 11, half past 10. And to write it in digital, we have these two columns here that separate the minutes and the hours. I'm going to put the 10 over here for the hours. And how long has that clock hand moved? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 10:30.